Hello and welcome to Dr. Upasana's maths class. Here we need to solve for x. We are given an equation. We have x raised to power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, can I write it like this? X square raised to power 2 minus 1 raised to power 2 equal to 0. Why am I writing it like this? Because I know a formula that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b, right? So that means this is a, this is b. I can get, or I can write like x square plus 1 and x square minus 1 equal to 0. The same formula I will apply here as well. X square minus 1 is actually x square minus 1 square, right? So I have x square plus 1. This is x plus 1, x minus 1, right? Okay, now what is this? X square plus 1 equal to 0. If I write this x square plus 1 equal to 0, I actually get x square is equal to minus 1. That means x is equal to plus minus under root of minus 1. What is under root of minus 1? This is nothing but iota, imaginary number, right? So here this can be written as x plus iota, x minus iota, x plus 1, x minus 1. Since the degree is 4, so x we will be having 4 values of x's. So we have plus minus iota and plus minus 1.